Welcome to Impact, bringing you global developments likely to affect Sri Lanka. Headlines: US interest rates to rise due to economic downturn worries. China's first quarter GDP growth beats expectations. Great Britain's inflation remains stubbornly high. According to a Reuters poll of economists, the US Federal Reserve will raise interest rates by 25 basis points for the final time in May, and then hold rates steady for the rest of the year. It noted worries about an economic downturn, which the Federal Reserve also highlighted at its 21st to 22nd March policy meeting, and concerns about banking sector stress point to such rate action. Impact on Sri Lanka. High US rates strengthen the US dollar, making Sri Lanka's imports more expensive. Further, investors attracted by such high US rates are likely to keep their capital in the United States rather than diversifying their portfolios in search of premium returns. According to China's National Bureau of Statistics, the country's GDP grew 4.5% year-on-year during the January-March quarter. The end of strict COVID regulations has eased businesses and consumer activity. However, a global slowdown points to a volatile short to medium term for the world's second-largest economy. Impact on Sri Lanka. Growth in China is encouraging news for Sri Lanka as the island nation seeks to diversify its export markets. Exports to China are at a dismal low of about $300 million. As such, a great emphasis is currently placed on attracting Chinese tourists, which was around 500,000 a year prior to the COVID pandemic. Britain's annual consumer price inflation fell to 10.1%, according to the Office for National Statistics. Reuters reports that the country is now the only large developed nation with double-digit inflation rates. Impact on Sri Lanka. The UK is Sri Lanka's second-largest export market, as well as a significant tourist source. An economic contraction will affect UK citizens' purchasing power, including foreign travel, affecting multiple industries in Sri Lanka. And that's a wrap for this week. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated on the latest developments in Sri Lanka. Until next time, have a great day.